How to set your own photo widget on iPhone home screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set your own photo widget on your iPhone home screen, so let's dive right in. Photo widgets are a fantastic way to personalize your phone. They allow you to showcase your favorite memories right on your home screen. Let's see how you can set them up. First, you need to long press on your home screen until the app starts jiggling. Now, you need to tap on plus icon located at the top left corner in order to open the widget gallery. Now, scroll down until you find the photo widgets. You can choose the different sizes over here, and once you have done that, select the one you prefer and then you need to tap on add widget. You can move the widgets around the desired spot if you want. Just like this, you can move the widgets around the desired spot on your home screen, and that's it. You have successfully set your favorite photo widget on your iPhone home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.